Afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz. Friend of parrots in the bird pack. We're hearing grunting of wild boars. Oh my God! I'm letting you know I'll definitely be screaming if a bunch of boars ran toward me. Now, they'd have to rush through this water, but I just heard something in the water. Oh my goodness! It's okay, friend. Oh God, there's a gator. There's a gator. Okay, wow. Look. Oh my God. I just saw an alligator swimming under this curved... It's okay, friend. I'm telling you right now, I heard a major splash a minute ago.